Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making carom seed flavored biscuit. For this we need refined flour, butter, baking powder, salt, carom seed and milk. So in a bowl take refined flour, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, salt to taste and mix it. This is approximately 125 grams of refined flour. So I am adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now I will add 4 to 5 teaspoon of unsalted butter and now fold it and make a dough. Try to make a dough because making a dough required milk also. You cannot make dough with only butter. So add milk and your normal dough is ready. Now in a plate or tortilla add carom seed. Now add dough, again add carom seed and flat it. Now take a biscuit mold and cut the biscuits in whichever shape you want or whichever size you want. Now remove it and similarly make more biscuits. Now take a baking tray and now put it on oven on 180 degrees Celsius. Your carom seed flavored biscuit is ready. So try this recipe and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.